All right, we got a Gray Wolf Limited right here. This is why you buy a Limited. Glass door, LED lighting, outdoor sound system. But look at this. This is why. Look at this. You get a sofa sleeper, queen bed, but look how nice this Limited is. Upgraded cabinetry, nicer dinette. Look at this. A queen bed in the back. And if you want the bunk, we can put a bunk back. Somebody removed it. This flips up for storage. You can put bikes in there. Look at this. Nice, clean bathroom. But look at this. This is so clean. This is a great, great floor plan.